Clouds hang low, day feels far away, but roots dig down, learning how to stay. Every seed is shaking under all this weight, waiting on a whisper, telling it you're late. But deep in the dark, something starts to say, grow like the morning, rising over hills that used to hide you. Push through the soil, keep going. Every tiny step is still inside you. You were made for open sky, even when the shadows climb. Grow like the morning, one soft ray at a time. Wind picks up, leaves start to apply. Small green hands breaking through the clod. Rain comes hard, face turned to the grave. Still you drink, finding strength in the spray. Every drop is writing lines across your name, telling you the waiting was part of how you change. Under all the flooded ground, you're quietly awake. Grow like the morning, rising over hills that used to hide you. Push through the soul,